Have you ever heard of a man who sold the Eiffel Tower, not once, but twice? It sounds impossible, but it really happened. His name was Victor Lustig, and he was one of the most clever con artists in history. In 1925, Victor arrived in Paris dressed as a wealthy government official. He told a group of metal dealers that the famous Eiffel Tower was getting too expensive to maintain, and that the French government secretly wanted to sell it for scrap metal. With charm, confidence, and fake documents, he convinced one businessman, André Poisson, to pay $70,000, a huge amount back then, just to buy the tower. And get this, Lustig disappeared before anyone realized they had been scammed. But wait, he wasn't done yet. Just a year later, he tried the same trick again, with another businessman. This time, he almost got caught, but still managed to escape. So yes, the Eiffel Tower was sold twice, by a man who never owned it. Would you believe someone if they told you they were selling a national landmark?